Hey everyone, long time no see. So in today's video, I'll be sharing to you a product from Daiso, which is their water foundation from Daiso. So I already applied my moisturizer from Grace One, which is the retinol moisturizer. And of course, don't forget your SPF. I'm using SPF from Roto, which is the Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Essence, which has an SPF of 50. So on the left side of my face, I'll be using my fingers to apply the foundation because I did not read the back. So I'm just gonna try this one. And on this side of the face, the right side, we will be trying to use the sponge. Hopefully the sponge will work because I don't know, I'm not sure. So this is how the foundation looks like. I'm gonna be shaking it because as you can see, this is how the foundation is looking like. It is pretty much separated from water to powder, so make sure that you shake your foundation very well before applying. So this is how that it looks like now, and the color that I am using is pink beige, I guess. Yeah, hopefully this color will fit my um, skin tone perfectly because there are only two colors available, and also this is made from Vietnam. So I'm just shaking it very well just to incorporate the water and the foundation thoroughly. So let's start. I am using I don't know, it just feels so weird because since this is a water type foundation, it I am having hard time in how am I going to apply this because whenever I pour it on my finger, if I'm just going to directly pour it on my finger, it slips, you guys. So it creates a little mess, but right now I'm trying to build up the coverage because I feel like I did not see any coverage yet at this point. So I just continued applying and applying it until I am satisfied with how it is building up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here now, I guess, because using the fingers did not really help that much in building the coverage, but I think it's pretty good at this point already. So now we are going to try using this sponge, and oh my god, I tried to shake again the foundation because I don't want it to separate. So I'm just pouring it on my sponge, and as you can see, the sponge soaked the foundation right away since it's water-based foundation. So I don't think the sponge is a good idea in applying the foundation, you guys. So let's try using a brush. So I think I just poured the foundation on the palms of my hand because this is the part where I am struggling, guys. Where am I? How am I gonna pour out the foundation because it is so liquidy and it goes everywhere, like literally everywhere. So right now, yeah, let's apply it using the brush, and I feel like what I notice is that it applies so well with the brush. If you are using this type of brush, yeah, it adds, as you can see, it adds some little coverage, but not into a point where it gives you a medium coverage. It's more on the light coverage still. So that's how my skin is looking right now. It's pretty even already compared from where we started. Yeah. So let's take a closer look at my skin. Pretty even out already, but not to a point where I am covering. And I guess I feel like it looks like skin. It's not looking a very foundation looking. So let's try tapping it if it feels sticky or not. But since this is a water-based type foundation, it doesn't feel any sticky at all. It feels very comfortable, actually. I'm back. I'm done with the rest of the makeup, and yeah. So I'm just gonna show you to you quickly how the foundations looks like. Oh my god, getting tongue twisted again. So for me, definitely it gave me like a light coverage, I guess. So I wasn't really expecting that much from this foundation because it's water, and there's like a, if I'm going to describe it, it has a powder and you just shake it and the water and the powder mix together. So I was not really hoping for a very high coverage on this one or a medium one because yeah, but it gave my skin like a little coverage though. It made my skin look more even compared to the where we started, where I haven't applied any foundation yet. So definitely gave a lightweight coverage as expected. It doesn't give me a matte yeah, matte finish. I think it is more on the like between matte and a little satiny finish, I guess, or a dewy finish, but it did not definitely give a dewy finish because it has like a powder, water powder or something, but it feels very light. It feels like you're not wearing anything at all. See, feels nothing, like unlike with but what I notice is that it creases already here on my smile lines. Yeah, minutes I guess since I applied the foundation, but yeah, this is only 100 yen. Cannot beat the price. Okay. Oh, by the way, I also applied only a little amount of concealer. These two concealers from Maybelline. They're Instant Age Razor Concealer. There's two because the one is for like, you know, hiding the dark under eye circles, and this one is for brightening the eye. So I just applied those, and also I did not bother applying here on my pimples because I will be wearing masks. So there's no point of applying there because it will just rub off. And also the allergies, man, the allergies is real. So why bother applying there, because you just end up blowing your nose and erase everything there. So never mind. So right now I can see in the mirror that I look pretty decent with the foundation. I did not look shiny. I only applied a very tiny amount of my baby powder. Yeah, my trusty baby powder. Yeah, that's it. And I will be checking back to you. I don't know what time is it right now. I think it's like around 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna check with you later and do a final something. So yeah, see you all later. So I'm gonna do a quick update on the Daiso liquid water matte foundation. So it is like 5:03 in the afternoon already. So this is how our face looks like. Oh, this is looking so weird, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just cover quickly. So not much oil from what I see here, but sorry for the bad lighting. But as you can see, this is how my face is looking like. Not too oily. Looking pretty good for 100 yen foundation. And although it's not hot because it's springtime, but definitely okay. Also in my nose area, you can see my blemish because I did not, and it's looking weird there, but so amazed, I guess, there's no breakage on the foundation. It's not breaking up. Yeah, looks pretty good and decent, and it's not feeling like it feels light, like I'm not wearing foundation, that kind of feeling. So just an update. Yeah, that's how our skin is looking from like natural daylight. So see you. So hey everybody, we are going to wrap up this video now. It is already 7:20 in the evening. Yeah, using this watch to for our time check, since I'm using my phone to film this video. So let's check my face, how it is looking like after 10 hours of wearing this. I guess we started like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go closer. The forehead, yeah, looking okay. I must say that I haven't touched my face or did a retouch like powder and blot, anything, since the last time that I applied this foundation. So this is just as is after the application. So looking pretty good, I guess. I'm checking at the mirror. I have a decent amount of oil. It is typical of me since I have an oily skin, even though I have mature skin still. I'm on the oilier side of the spectrum. So it's still spring, but I cannot prevent myself from getting oily. So but looking at it, it's oily but it's looking good. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed actually with the foundation, considering that it is only 100 yen and it's from Daiso. And if you could recall, I mentioned that the foundation has settled here on my smile line, but after like my face has oiled up, it started to look pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, there's no cakiness. Yeah, that's it. I feel like I didn't see any cakiness of the foundation. Maybe because it's like it is more on a lightweight side. Yeah, maybe it's because of that, I guess. So but if you're looking for a foundation that has a full coverage or medium coverage, definitely this foundation will not give you that kind of coverage. Maybe yeah, if you have a problematic skin, you have a lot of marks and whatnot, definitely this will not help you with that with that situation. I could say that this is just okay to use if you just wanted to like even out your skin tone, like if you have a little redness here and there. So this is pretty much good foundation to even out your redness and some little freckles, I guess. So yeah, and also I wanted to mention that it is such a pretty lightweight foundation. I don't feel like I'm wearing foundation. I feel like I'm just wearing a moisturizer. Yeah, or an SPF that has tint in it. Yeah, that's how it feels, and I like that feeling. So overall, I guess, guys, pretty amazing foundation at Daiso. I did not expected that I would like this, because I feel like it is so like meh, like wow, water foundation. So yeah, I haven't seen any water foundation available yet. I don't know from other countries, or but for me it's my first time to see a water foundation that is coming from Daiso. So if you are just looking for something or that would even out your redness on your skin, you don't have so much problem in your skin, definitely try this one from Daiso, their water foundation. I highly recommend. I don't know if this will break me out or not, but yeah, let's see. I'm gonna update you in a later video, I guess, if this will break me out. But so far it feels so good, it feels so light. The face feels like you're not wearing any foundation. That's it for today, and yeah, I hope you will give this water foundation from Daiso a try. Only 100 yen pesos. Highly recommend. Very cheap. So I think that's it for today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed. I hope that this has helped you, and yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So thank you always for tuning in, everybody, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.